Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to change your GoDaddy email and password. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GoDaddy website right here, godaddy.com if you haven't already, and after opening it up you want to go ahead and log into your account in the upper right corner. So if you do not already have an account, you just want to go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of GoDaddy, where we can get started finding a domain we want to use. We can see all the products and services we can use and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to reset our email and password. Basically what we want to do is go right here into the upper right corner and click on our username. That's going to open up this new drop down menu right here, where we can see all the options we can access, and one of them is account settings. So you want to go ahead and open up account settings. Open up account settings, and after clicking that guys, now it's going to open up your account settings right here. You can see we can go ahead and see our email and so on. And basically guys, what we want to do if we want to go ahead and change our password and email is click the email option right here. This is going to enable us to get started with logging in again to confirm our identification. And after opening up and logging in again, you can see we can go ahead and get started with changing our new email address. And that's how to change and you reset your email. And if you want to reset your password, you want to go to this domain right here. Basically, you want to go to Google and search for GoDaddy password reset. That's going to enable you to open up this page. So this is where we can get started resetting our account. You want to enter in your username and continue to get started with resetting your password. And with that, you'll be able to go ahead and get a new email and password. But yeah, guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.